Hello. So this is the software which I have created using Tkinter and module, which I am using in Python programming language. So as you can see, it is a very long uh, piece of software which. So first I have imported the three modules. It is time, TTK from Tkinter and the complete Tkinter package using this asterisk. Then I have created a variable known as time variable, which stores in time.localTime from the time library. It stores the system time inside this variable. This time variable has a structure uh, which has number of different variables. So time year, time month, time day, time hour, time minute, time second, weekday, and time year of the day, and is it day saving time or not. So this is the structure which is inside this local time, and these structures are only read only. You cannot write into them. So so that's one thing to know about. Then I have created a root variable, which stores the tk, which is the initializing for function for the tk. And then I have created a root dot title, which gives the title of this window, which is time display. You can change it to anything. Then I have created three variables to store and display the time of hour, minute, and second. Then I have created some variables also for the setting of this alarm. So setting of this alarm, so which are AR, alarm hour, alarm minute, alarm second. And then I have also created some few more variables for uh, because uh, because of the style of the programming, I needed these variables. So a set timer, it basically sets the time uh, into these alarm functions. So as you, then I have created a frame. So you know that this is a frame, one frame, and this is a second frame inside our uh, inside our inside our software, Tkinter software module. It is all the frames are in a grid fashion. In grid are arranged in a grid fashion. There are other grid arrangements also, but I am more comfortable in this grid fashion. Then I have used a style. I have used the theme of alt. Then I just changed this s variable to configure different parts of the. Then I have created these functions. This is the main update function, which keeps updating after 1000 seconds, 1000 milliseconds. So you can see this second that is being updated every second. Second variable that is shown here is updated every second, is using this line of code. So root dot after 1000 comma update, then all these variable. And um, then we have a function for alarm set. It is for, if I press this button over here, alarm set, then this function will be called. And if I press the function alarm set 15 seconds, then this function will be called. Okay, then this function will be called, and then this is our code. These are line of code. These from the highlighted portion is the lines of the code. The first is the R label. So this is the R label. Then we have minute label. Then we have second label. Uh, then we have a second frame, which is this alarm time. So you can see that there are two different frames. One is this, and then second is frame 1 1. Uh, oh, so I have used the naming convention. For one is for column number one, and the next one is for the row number one. Okay. So I have used this naming convention, and inside this second frame, I have written this alarm time. If you are going to set any alarm, then that time will be shown here, and then I have called a function update once. Then it will update. Then it will update. um, then it will update after 1000 milliseconds, and it will repeatedly call this function again and again. Now, then this is the last root.main loop, which tells the interpreter to load all these lines of all the objects that we have created using the code, and put it into the main function of the Python. Uh, I have also used this. Besides this script, besides besides this script, I have also used uh, this also used this uh, this how to make Python script into an executable. Um so which you can go through on this website exasub.com. So you need to have a py installer installed. Then these are the scripts, and this is the py installer one file dash no console dash I icon dot your Python file, which creates this which creates which created this file. Uh, so you if you double tap on it or double click on it and run this file in Windows, it will create an instance of the software. It is easily transportable. You don't have to just every time you do not have to use the Python uh, script. So let me show you. So this is the Python script. So let me just now. So if I remove these things from here and just okay, okay, so I have to stop this file also. Then I can remove this. Then if I go into, then I just open our PowerShell. 'So if I press on this alarm 15 seconds, it will create an alarm uh, uh, with an incremented to 15 seconds. So if I now it says 40 seconds I have clicked it, so it is 55. So when this alarm reaches 55, I will hear a beep, system beep, and this window will appear, which has a button for if I want to exit this alarm. So I can press this button. So if I press this button over here, I can quit this window. Uh, so let me just close this file over here and just Now if I press this alarm set button over here, then this window appears, and I can customize an alarm depending upon. So let's say I want to create an alarm for 14 hours and 50 minutes. Okay, so 50 minutes and 30, okay, 15 seconds. I can set it to here, and it will be shown uh, over here. And when this time is reached, again system beep will occur and the same window shall come again. So thank you, like this.